Hey y'all, Nico here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for joining me. I'm Nico. Today is day 18 of the Triple R challenge, and we are on our rebuild day, and we are doing a HIIT yoga practice. So we'll be doing a yoga flow with some HIIT inspired movement, and HIIT stands for high intensity interval training. So don't be intimidated, just do what you can, and let's go ahead and get started. So we'll start in a comfortable seated position. Closing your eyes or lowering your gaze to the floor. And we'll just start with a couple breaths. Deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Second, deep inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. One more deep inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Good. Come back to the natural breath again. See if you can find a steady breath to use in and out of the nose if you're able to. But of course, use your mouth to breathe if you need to at any time. Good. We'll take an inhale. Exhale. Come up to hands and knees, hands underneath shoulders, knees underneath hips. And we'll move into Marjaryasana and Bidalasana, cat-cow. So take an inhale, arch the spine, lift the chin, flip the tailbone up and away. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the tailbone under, bring your chin down to your chest. Good. Move with your breath. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. A couple more breaths. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Good. Come back to a neutral spine. Rock back and forth over the wrists for a couple breaths. Good. Come back to stillness. Bring your big toes together, knees wide. Float the hips back, extend the arms forward as you melt down for Balasana, child's pose. And we'll take an inhale in Balasana. Exhale, shift your weight forward. Tuck the toes under. Lift the hips up and back. Come to Adho Mukha Svanasana, down dog. Good. Press the chest towards the thighs, the heels towards the ground. Flat back here. Feel free to find some movement, pedaling the feet, or shifting your weight from one foot to the other. Coming back to stillness, we'll take an inhale, extend that right leg back. Exhale, step it up in between the hands. Come down to the left knee, keeping the left toe tucked. Reach those arms up here. Align your right knee over your ankle. Now we'll find some of our intervals here. So again, back toe is tucked. We lift the hips, inhale. Exhale, lower the knee back down. Good. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. A couple more times. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Good. And in your crescent lunge, inhale. Exhale, step the left foot up to meet the right. Come down to Uttanasana, forward fold. So go ahead and have a generous bend in your knees. You can grab your elbows here. Good. Now from here, we'll sweep our arms up, shift our weight into our heels, and sit back into our imaginary chair for chair pose, Utkatasana. Inhale. Exhale, straighten the legs out. Bring the arms down. Inhale, chair, Utkatasana. Exhale, straighten the legs. Mountain. Inhale, chair, Utkatasana. Exhale, Tadasana. Good, couple more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, come down to forward fold. Uttanasana. Again, inhale, come up for a half lift. Place the hands on the shins. Exhale, bend the knees, plant the hands down in front of the feet. Step back to plank, Palakasana. We'll hold our plank for a couple breaths. Drop down to the knees if you need to. Good. From here, we're going to come to side plank on the right. So you can either rest this right knee down, rotate the left heel down, and extend the left arm up. Or we'll stack both feet, left foot on top of right. Left arm extends up. And we'll find these leg raises. So lift the left leg off the right. Inhale. Exhale, lower. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Good. And inhale. In Vashisthasana, side plank. Exhale. Drop the left hand down. Lift the hips up and back for Adho Mukha Svanasana, down dog. Take some breaths here. Good. Drop down to the knees if you need to. You could come to child's pose if you need more of a rest. From here, we'll take an inhale, extend the left leg back. Exhale, step it up in between the hands. Come down on the right knee. Sweep the arms up. Anjaneyasana, low lunge. Good. From here, press into that back toe. Lift the right knee off the ground. Inhale. Ashtachandrasana, high lunge. Exhale, lower. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come back up. Inhale. Exhale. Step the right foot up to meet the left. Fall down to Uttanasana, forward fold. Good. You can straighten your legs out, or you can have more of a bend in your knees here. Now from here, bend the knees. Sit back into your imaginary chair. Sweep the arms up, Utkatasana. Inhale. Exhale, Tadasana. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Tadasana. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Tadasana. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Let's end in our Utkatasana, chair pose. Inhale. Exhale, Uttanasana, forward fold. Good. Take an inhale, bring those hands to the shins for a half lift. Exhale, plant the hands down in front of the feet. Step back to plank, Palakasana. Good. Couple breaths here in plank. Shoulders away from the ears. Good. Now we'll find Vashisthasana on the left. Extend the right arm up. Remember, you can lower that left knee down if you need to. And we'll lift the right leg. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. 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 Good. Right hand comes down, come to plank. Lift those hips up and back for Adho Mukha Svanasana, down dog. Good. Take an inhale and down dog. Exhale, drop the knees down. Big toes together, knees wide. Float the hips back towards the heels. Kanda Balasana, child's pose. Good. Inhale in Balasana. Exhale. Walk those hands back and then come up to a kneeling position on the knees. We'll sweep the arms up. Inhale. Exhale. Sit back towards the heels. Inhale, lift up again. Good. Exhale, sit back towards the heels. Inhale, lift. Exhale, sit back towards the heels, keeping that chest nice and open. Inhale, lift. Exhale, sit back. Inhale, lift. Couple more times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Now bring those hands down to your mat in the table position. And we'll come back to cat-cow. I'll take an inhale, arch the spine, lift the chin, flip the tailbone up and away. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the tailbone under, bring your chin down to your chest. Good. Inhale, arch the spine, lift the chin, flip the tailbone up and away. Exhale, round. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Let's do one more. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Good. Come back to a neutral spine. Make your way to a seated position with those legs out in front. And we're going to find a Vasana, boat pose. So bring your arms out in front, palms facing forward or palms facing upward. Shift your weight back until you feel that core engage. Keep that back nice and long here. And then we'll lift our feet off the ground. So you could either stay here. You can also keep your toes resting on the ground if that's enough for you. We'll take an inhale. Exhale. Move down to Ardha Navasana, half boat. So extend those legs to straight. And come back up. Good. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift and hold for 3, 2, and 1. Good. Rest those feet down. You can grab those knees. Sit nice and tall here. Good. From here, let those knees fall out wide. Bottoms of the feet come together. Sweep your arms up. Inhale. Exhale, twist to the right, left hand outside of right knee, looking over to the right or over the right shoulder. Good. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, twist to the left. Same thing. Right hand outside of left knee. Left fingertips rest behind you. Or look over the left shoulder or to the left side. Good. Inhale, center again. Interlace the fingers, press the palms away. Exhale, release the hands down. Use the hands to help bring those knees together. Scoot the hips close to the heels. Make your way down to your back. Hug your knees into your chest and rock side to side here. Good. Take a big inhale, squeeze, hug the knees in towards your chest. Exhale, release to Savasana. Feet reach towards the bottom corners of your mat. Arms rest at your sides, palms facing upward. Or if you like, you could come to a more comfortable position or a seated position. Let's come back to those long, slow breaths we used at the beginning of class. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Second, deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Good. Take one more deep inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Returning to the natural breath again. Allowing your body to relax and let go after all the hard work you just did. Releasing any tension in the muscles, letting your body be heavy. Letting it surrender to this moment. And while you're here, I'll say some affirmations to you, which you can repeat silently to yourself or aloud. I welcome the energy of transformation and purity. I choose conscious effort, moving beyond my perceived limitations. I trust my body as a vessel of strength and peace. If you'd like to stay here longer, I invite you to pause this video now. Otherwise, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, coming back into the body and back into the room. And if you're laying down, roll to your favorite side using your arm as a pillow. As we all take a moment here to reflect on our practice and to extend gratitude towards ourselves for this act of self-care and self-love today. And if you're not already there, make your way up to a comfortable seat once again. And together we'll sweep the arms up overhead. Inhale, let the hands meet. Exhale, float them down to heart center. Namaste. Okay guys, thank you for joining me for day 18 of the Triple R Challenge. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this video. Check the links in my description box. There is a link down there about joining my channel as a member if you'd like access to longer and exclusive videos. There's also a link to my meditation album, my Patreon, and my Amazon storefront where you can find this outfit and all the outfits I've been wearing throughout the challenge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Peace and love.